Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify bird sounds from an app on your phone, and this is really easy to do. So here's my Android phone. I'm going to go to the Google Play Store, or you can go to the Apple Store. So let's select the Android app, then go to the search icon right here, and simply type in Merlin Bird app. So this is what is called Merlin Bird ID by Cornell University. So let's open this up, and then here it is. Now it says you have to enter in your email address, or otherwise you can go to sign in using Google. So I'm going to go to where it says skip this for now, then go to allow Merlin Bird ID to access the location, or you can deny it, whatever you want. Then it says install at least one bird pack to start using. So let's go to view suggested bird packs, and then let's install this one right here. So it's the Midwest. Let's go to continue. And you may want to go ahead and download the packs on your Wi-Fi because it could take a while. It's about 1 gigabyte. And mine is just about done downloading, as you can see. Now let's go to where it says Sound ID. I hear a lot of birds chirping. Now it says get as close to the bird as you can and press. So you're going to allow this permission right here. And you can see all the birds that are popping up that are being heard. I have the American robin and the house sparrow right there. And you can see when the bird starts chirping, it's going to be highlighted yellow on the app. So it looks like I only have 3 birds in my backyard chirping right now. So I can go to the stop recording button right here. And I can actually re-listen to my recording right here. And this will actually record your voice as well. So if you start talking when it's happening, you'll hear yourself. Then you can identify the birds from an ID, explore birds, or you can start like a bird ID where you have to go through like the location, the color of the bird, etc., just to identify it and where you saw it. But typically, just going to Sound ID would be the easiest. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.